Hello guys, welcome to Farming and Village Food Vlog. Today I'm going to present about this plant. It's a mustard. I have been preparing this for seedlings for transplantation, and this is the lever. I have also transplanting this mustard into different area. I was preparing since in 30th of July, and today is 1st September. It's already 1 month, and I'm going to show you the work I have did. Sẽ bằng hin ăn cầm điện ăn cầm điện phủ tiếng hột chưa. Kenal teni tu ni celai muna hi ankam kapan phung sang som kape phung sang khat wal tu ni ahi ka phu he. Guys, this is my mom and my dad. They are harvesting the mustard that, and these are the plant that I just planted recently, and here another. Just a few days ago, I was transplanting these mustards, and today I started harvesting. You can see on the screen, this is the mustards we have harvested.